What's up, dude? This is Near from The Bricks Dude, and today we have a special cute little MOC, and that is just for you, LEGO Space fans, and just for you, the Terminator films lovers. So, let's get ready for that, but before that, please subscribe to our channel. This is super important for us as content creators, so we'll keep doing some more cool content just for you. I'm getting ready. I have that thing over here. Alright, so I have this thing with me, this tool. Let's get the bad guys. Alright. The Terminator films are cinema science fiction films. The first one was in 1984, the last one was in 2019, and they're all about science fiction, apocalyptic reality where the machines are taking over the humans. It also involves time travel, and one of the spaceships in those films looked nice to us, and we decided to build it in Lego, as you see here. We decided to build it as a cargo ship in a LEGO space style, classic LEGO space. That means blue and gray. We combine light bluish gray and light gray, so for us it's the same thing. You can also see that we even put the LEGO space logo. And we have a cannon in the bottom with a light brick, a yellow light brick. It can rotate, and that's a nice thing. This hook is connected into kind of crane. You just push the button and it takes out the hook, which can be attached to the bottom of the plate. Also has two doors, so you can open the doors and get access to the inside, where you can actually store a couple of crates. Now the first one can actually be pushed inside some niche in the back of that place, and you can put two more boxes and also a minifigure. This one has the classic LEGO Space logo on his shoulders. Now this is the inside, this is the cockpit. You can see it from different angles when you take up the windscreen. Now this is a LEGO Spaceman, and we have put a helmet, a clone helmet, because we like to combine it with LEGO Star Wars. And this is Lucy Wildstyle from the LEGO movie. She also has the LEGO Space logo on her clothes, so we decided to put her as the pilot of this spaceship. The spaceship has two engines which can rotate. You see some accessories were added in the back. And you can see some logos, LEGO Space logos. And on top we added another logo, which is the public symbol of Star Wars, because we like to play it with LEGO Star Wars and combine all our LEGO into one big world. Now if you take those engines up, the ship will take off. And if you take it forward, that's the time when the ship flies forward. Just like that. Now this is the bottom. You have two landing gears, two ladders in the back. Front you don't need the landing gear because you have the rotating cannon. Now you can take off those slopes, and this is how they're being attached with that special brick. And yeah, this is how it connects this way. We thought it's a nice ship from the Terminator, especially the tail looks cool with those angles. That's why we liked it, and this is why we chose it to be a LEGO Space cargo ship. So now we're actually disassembling the ship just to show you how it is made of. And this is the crate which we inserted in the first place. You have a couple of tiles there on the floor. You can remove a couple of bricks and that panel as well. And this is how we get to the tail, which will now fall off. We can also take up the windscreen. This is how it's connected. You have those curved slopes to close hermetically everything. And this is how the engines can rotate, take the ship forward, upward, or even downward. And that's the mechanism with a button that can take down the hook or take it up. Now it's time to put everything back in place. So we have a nice Lego spaceship with Lucy Wildstyle as the pilot, and a spaceman with a clone helmet as the co-pilot, and it's ready to take off. Let's put back the two doors. These are all doors and they just fit in. Let's put the top part, and that fits perfect. That's going to be a nice addition to our Lego space collection. A Terminator cargo spaceship, even though I'm not sure that in the original movie it's a spaceship because they don't fly into space. So just a kind of craft, just like an airplane. So here's the team, the staff, which attends this ship. Thank you for watching. This is Neil signing out.